To my wonderful subscribers, those who like, shares, comments, and subscribe. How are you all and those who are watching? I welcome you all once again to our Tagalog language learning lesson. This is Miss Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BSCD MSCD, speaking to you all about the video. New York City school teacher here in the USA, where I am, author, writer of 22 books, yes, 22. Ako po, in Tagalog, ako po si Binibining Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BSCD MSCD, guro dito po sa Nueva York, Amerika at may akda at sumulat ng 22 aklat. In English, I'm showing you two of my 22 books. Speak Tagalog, a basic primer, written by yours truly, Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BSCD MSCD. And on your right is my beloved mom's recipes. Mom and Chef, Nanay Nene Teodora of Philippines Cuisine. Cookbook recipes written by her daughter. Yes, that's me speaking to you about the video, Miss Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BSCD MSCD. And the word nanay means mom. A Tagalog word, nanay, means mom in English. Nene is the affectionate name, excuse me please, that my beloved dad and my uncles calls my mom because my beloved mom is the only girl in her family. Yes, only girl and former beauty queen as well. And more stories in my 22 books you'll find worldwide at Amazon. Speak Tagalog you could find at outskirtspress.com, all bookstores near you, and at my two websites, Juanita de Guzman, Juanita Gutierrez, BSCDMSCD.com, and my other website is juanitagutierrez.com. In Tagalog, makikita po ninyo ang lahat ng aking mga aklat sa buong daigdig sa Amazon. At sa ito pong Speak Tagalog sa outskirtspress.com. At lahat po ng aklatan sa buong daigdig. At sa akin pong website, Juanita Gutierrez, bscdmscd.com. At ito pong ikalawa kong website, juanitagutierrez.com. How are you all? Kumusta po kayong lahat in Tagalog? Nagpapasalamat po ako sa lahat ng mga taga-subaybay ko at taga-tangkilik. At doon po sa hindi pa nag-subscribe, sana po ay kayo mag-subscribe. In English, I am so very thankful to all my wonderful subscribers, those who like, shares, comments, and subscribe. And welcome once again to our Tagalog language learning lesson. And we continue to our bahagi parts ng of in English, pananalita, speech in English. And we discuss now pang-ukol. Pang-ukol. In English, preposition. Preposition. Ano ang pang-ukol? What is the preposition? In Tagalog, ginagamit kung para kanino o para saan ang kilos. In English, pang-ukol in English preposition links noun phrases showing relationships in place, time, or purpose. Example, halimbawa po, in Tagalog, ang aklat ay nasa lamesa. I'll repeat, ang aklat ay nasa lamesa. Ang pang-ukol, the preposition in English, nasa in Tagalog. In English, the book is on the table. The preposition is on. Let's review parts of speech. In Tagalog, bahagi, parts, ng, of, pananalita, speech. Pang-ukol. In English, preposition. Ang pang-ukol, in Tagalog, ginagamit kung para kanino o para saan ang kilos. In English, preposition links noun, phrases showing relationships in place, time, or purpose. Example, halimbawa in Tagalog, ang aklat ay nasa lamesa. Nasa, halimbawa ng pang-ukol or preposition in English. Ang aklat ay nasa lamesa. Pang-ukol, nasa. In English, the book is on the table. On is the preposition. So I hope you learned something today for our preposition or pang-ukol. Thank you all so very much. In English, marami pong salamat. Magkita uli po tayo in English. Thank you all so very much. See you all again. God bless us all. In love and light.